what I've done is I've taken the seals and the respective retaining rings and kind of put them all together and kept them on their appropriate sides. So when I put this together, if I decide to use the same parts, everything is going to be with the same side. So all the wear patterns and all of that stuff will still jive, well, without the grease. And this grease is actually not too bad. It's not hard as a rock like the last stuff I was working on. This is a bushing, and I don't know if kind of looks like that bearing is pressed in there. There's another seal. Good friend of mine, Brake Clean. Stuff is awesome. Not so good on the parts washer. It kind of killed the pump on the parts washer. I was looking at it to see why it failed, and it just kind of disintegrated. I wouldn't say failed per se, I would say disintegrate. So yeah, there's some wear patterns there. So yeah, this will probably get replaced. Welcome to the house of jankiness. I need to push out these bearings, and I haven't made a jig for it, so I've just kind of used, I'm just going to pan out here without making too big of it. So I just used a tie down to hold the radius arm in place, and I've just got a stack of bits that I've got laying around here to actually get this thing pulled off. See if I can kind of get this better in. There we go. Let's see if I can get a better lighting. Okay, there we go. So we're just going to use bits and pieces of stuff I got kicking around here. My tripod just about tipped over. Let's see if I can get that squared away. There. Alright, so completely lost the shot. There we go. Alright, so we're going to put this under here just to support it so it doesn't, flex this arm, because I have no idea how hard those are and how long they've been in there. And just this little piece of steel here to kind of support it, just like that, just kind of like a little shim. Alright, so let's see if we got shit lined up here. Doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's tighten this up a little bit. Okay, make sure I'm dead nuts on, because I don't want to gouge. Nope, not dead nuts on, it just slipped off. Of course, this is a Harbor Freight special and nothing is fucking square, so that always makes it a challenge to do stuff without completely buggering it up. Alright, let's try this by hand. Don't cue the music. Bom, 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 bom. Drama, drama. Yep, there it goes. We're kind of chattering that edge, which I didn't want to do. There. Put it over more on that edge. Yeah, having a pneumatic press is handy, but the flip side of that coin is sometimes shit happens just too fast, so you really can't see what the hell's going on. So I like to do it by give a little hand job, so I have a little bit more control. So I think here we go, and wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. There's one. Just push the other one all the way through. There's two. Damn, doesn't get much better than that. Thanks for watching.